in fact, with mental disorder and mental disease as a whole, right? Things like apophenia, pareidolia, hallucination, psychosis, schizophrenia, they're all predicated on two senses. One is the sense of hearing and the one is the sense of visual. So let's talk about the physics of sound. Sound travels at 700 miles per hour.
You have to study physics. Right. Now, physics and music are mutually exclusive, you know. But once you're dealing with the sound of music, you go in and drill into the collision of organic or inorganic, right? This sort of encapsulates matter, non-matter, physical, non-physical, and things that are propositions that illustrate the principle of a subject. You hear that theoretical evidence. A theoretical means a collection of propositions that.
Then you have the idea of intersubjectivity phenomenology. But before we get into intersubjectivity phenomenology, let's explore specifically different sorts of solipsism. One aspect of solipsism says that only the mind exists.
But I didn't have, right, I mean, sound. What is amplitude, frequency, velocity? Why do we hear octave? But that's just from a physics perspective. Like precognition, premonition, clairvoyance, retrocognition, lucid dream, extrasensory perception. You can cross disciplinary, multidisciplinary, transdisciplinary, and interdisciplinary areas.